Here's my new K2AX, this rare Monterey board that no one had ever seen. Well, it's been seen before, but it was a Jamico JE 1015, I think. This is the first actual Monterey branded one. Here's the plate, or the sticker. Looks pretty good. It's fairly, I mean, I'm not going to say it's new, certainly not, but it was hardly ever used, clearly. There's no shine on the keycap. Oh, sorry, these are actually AEK2 keycaps right now, just because I like the sound of them, but I'll put the other ones on when I do this review anyway. Has a deeper sound. I'll compare it over here. Compared to the, it's a pretty thin double shot, so a little disappointed with that. They're higher pitched, but they still sound pretty damn good. I mean, you can't hide the amazing sound of Blue Alps, obviously. This enter key is actually the only key that's not double shot. I think it's laser engraved, and I do not know why. I don't know if you can see that. It might be pad printed, but it feels the edges feel too sharp. Like, I think it's actually been laser engraved, possibly filled, or just, yeah, I don't know. But everything else was double shot, and yeah, definitely love this board. Okay, this is the typing test for the K2AX. These ones are AEK2 thick PVT keycaps, just to hear the difference. I prefer the sound of these, but obviously this is not a permanent solution. Here we go. Okay, here's the typing test with the standard thin double shot keycaps as it came. Alright, so that was my first test with the stock keycaps back on. The previous test with the PVT AEK2 caps, I did one shot of that one test and I got like 84, 85 words per minute. This one, same thing, one shot, one test, 95 words per minute, which is closer to my average. The dots on the AEK2 keys just throw me right off. Like I hate the homing nubs on the D and the K. I have no idea why they did that, but otherwise nice keycaps, and clearly it took 10 words per minute off my average. So anyway, I think they kind of sound better, but these ones are designed for the keyboard, and clearly I'm faster with them, and it sounds similar, but either way, they both sound amazing. So there it is.